when you think about data and program data, whatever it happens to be, you want that data to be accessible to the people who need to have it and the people who should have it. And sometimes that's overlap and sometimes that isn't. And so thinking about kind of, you've got this big data mass that relates to the program you're working on. From the owner's perspective, they want to be able to see it all and to see how it fits together and to see if there's conflicts and understand if it's on budget, if it's on time, all those types of things, right? Because we don't think about just design information as just being about the thing. It's about the program that relates to that thing.
Right.
But then also understanding, okay, from the supplier's perspective or from some of the internal perspectives, should everybody be able to see all that data?
Mm-hmm.
And let's say you've got a couple suppliers, they may be competitors outside of this program. And so when they're generating their information and their designers are contributing to the overall design of the program, do they want to be able to see their competitors' information? Do their competitors want those designers to be able to see the competitive information? And so starting to think about what's it really look like as far as the data it goes and the program it goes, really things about the architecture itself and starting to think about the pieces of the architecture when combined with data accessibility. And all that needs to be thought about up front so that data is accessible where and when it needs to be and not in other places. And it leads to that data itself.